video with a lot of joy, with a lot of happiness, because guys, I'm celebrating two things. And I'm going to highlight them after I introduce the video. So welcome to this channel where we spread love and positivity. And guys, the reason why I'm happy is because I've known being positive, loving people, assisting people, being good to people bear fruits. And by the end of this video, you're going to see what I am saying is true. So I want to start by thanking our new subscribers, our returning subscribers. We appreciate you. We really are happy that you are commenting in our videos, you are liking our videos, you are subscribing to our videos. We don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. And we always tell you, we pray for you. May the Lord bless you, may the Lord enlarge you, may the Lord shield you, protect you together with your family. We don't take it for granted that you support us. And guys, today I'm starting on a high note because something has happened to the country we all love. And I always tell you, there is a reward of being positive, being in good vibes, having good energy, loving people unconditionally, supporting people unconditionally. And today, I am going to reveal to you that when you are good, when you are loving, when you are positive, the blessings of God follow you. Just the other day, guys, I told you about the Jamaica who brought New York to a standstill because of his reggae moves and his songs. Not even long ago, I told you about a breakthrough in the athletic field of a Jamaican called Kisain Thompson. And we actually agreed Kisain Thompson would be the next Usain Bolt. And therefore, when it comes to the field event, Jamaica is up there. We also talked about Miss Universe. How many times has Jamaica won Miss World titles? We said it is actually second. Is it second or how many position? What position? It is top there among the countries that have won this crown many times. And we all saw that people who run for the developed countries, USA, Canada, name them, UK, they are actually from Jamaica or their parents are Jamaicans. And therefore, today I have the greatest announcement, that is going to change Jamaica completely to be the center for the riches, the center of growth, the center of economic growth and physical growth. What am I talking about? Jamaica is about to have a turn around because, guys, something has been discovered in Jamaica that is going to change completely the way Jamaica looks, the people of Jamaica, and everything, every perspective about Jamaica. They have discovered oil. And not just oil, a lot of oil. And guys, so that you can believe this is true, it's not just a company from Jamaica that has discovered this oil. It is a company from all the way from Britain. And this is the United Oil Gas. Together working with Jamaica Power and Company, Oil and Company, it is called what? PCJ. Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Sorry for the misconception. Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. They have discovered oil, and a lot of oil. I'm going to tell you how much the oil have been discovered and how much it is worth and the transformation it is going to bring to the Jamaican people, the common people, and even everybody in Jamaica. So the United Gas Oil, I think that company is called that. United Oil and Gas, actually. United and gas and the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ, have discovered oil in the southern part of the island. And they have already sat down to discuss about the partnership so that they can commercialize the oil which has been found. So it's not something that is a rumor. These two people, these two countries, the United Oil and Gas Company from Britain and the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, they have sat down to actually sign a partnership of how they can commercialize and produce the oil. The oil is estimated to be 7 billion barrels. That is a lot of oil, guys. 7 billion barrels of oil. They are preparing to dig all that oil, and it is estimated that this oil in the southern part of Jamaica, it is actually covering an area of 22,400 square kilometers. That is a big area. 22,400 square kilometers is the area that is having this oil. And I've told you it is estimated to be 7 billion barrels. Oil is counted in barrels. And therefore, this is a big piece of land, and they have called the price, is it the price or the license? The price or the license to actually dig the oil. It is in the southern part of the island, and I've told you it is a lot of oil, and they have called the price, either the price or the license, the Walton Morant license. And this Walton Morant license is covering an area of 22,400 square kilometers. The CEO of United Oil and Gas, that is a company in Britain, a company well known for actually investigating and finding out where the oil is, and it actually it was before called the Taro. And therefore this company CEO said that this is a very great breakthrough to Jamaica. Actually, he called it a game changer. It is going to transform Jamaica to be one of the richest countries in the world. So he said that the discovery of this oil is actually a game changer for the Jamaican people. And not even that, guys. This oil is estimated to actually bring an income of approximately 3.5 trillion Jamaican dollars. That is quite an amount. Actually, it was said that the GDP of Jamaica will actually have a growth like what was experienced in Guyana when oil was discovered there in 2015. From the time oil was discovered in Guyana, the GDP growth has been skyrocketing. And they are estimating the amount of oil that has been found in Jamaica can actually skyrocket the GDP growth of Jamaica. That means there is a lot that is going to change in Jamaica. The common man will actually receive a lot of benefits. And actually some Jamaicans were saying, is the government going to be serious with the way they handle this oil? And I tell you that I saw in one of the videos of a Jamaican talking about the Prime Minister who is very, very good and concerned about people. And therefore, I believe the government of Jamaica will actually trigger the benefits of this oil up to the person who is down there in Jamaica. And therefore, we have seen there will be a benefit of GDP growth. And this means the lives of people are going to change. The education sector, there will be no children not going to school because they have no school fees. And I'm sure Jamaica, most of the education is free, if I'm not wrong. Not even that, there'll be supply or children will be given free food in school. And not even that, guys. This transforms to an economic growth. There'll be a lot of economic growth, and this translates to a lot of opportunities for the Jamaican people. This is going to change a lot in form of the infrastructure of the people of Jamaica, the beaches where they get most of their money, in the agricultural sector improvement, so that there'll be a lot of growth in terms of agricultural produce. There'll be a lot of growth in terms of tourism flocking in Jamaica. There'll be a lot of growth in terms of education, in terms of support of the talents, because you have seen Jamaica is full of talented people. And therefore, when these people are boosted in their area of talent, then we can see a lot of growth in Jamaica in terms of economic development. And therefore, we are expecting to see an all-changed Jamaica, a great Jamaica. Actually, this guy, the CEO of the United Oil and Gas, said that this discovery of oil, actually the name of the person is Brian Larkin, and he said the production of this oil will double Jamaican gross domestic product. And this means it will be a game changer for every Jamaican in the island. Can't we celebrate this great news to the people that are great, that are loving, that are inviting, that are accommodative, that are all the adjectives we can use? And I really rejoice with the people of Jamaica, knowing that the discovery of this oil is going to completely change their country, completely change the people who are there on the ground, and completely change the name of Jamaica, and it will be called the land of plentiful supply. Someone told me, actually, I think I saw in one of the videos, that Jamaicans believe some of them believe they were the Israelites. And for sure you can see, these people are blessed. They have something unique in them that I always admire. They are very loving people. Actually, the other day I shot a video because of the rumors that were going around that Dee Mwango is being treated. And very many people from Jamaica came and said, we love Dee Mwango, we welcome her, she can come back anytime, she's our girl, she belongs to us. A lot of love shown to this girl by Jamaican people. And that is why every day I celebrate them. When I hear this good news that there is something good being discovered in Jamaica, I was too happy, guys. I was so happy, and that is why I started my video on a very, very high note. I cannot wait to see a transformed Jamaica, because I know when Jamaica is blessed, everybody else will be blessed, because they do not pull their hand in supporting people. They do not pull their hands in giving. And that is why we pray for your blessings, because when you are blessed, we know those blessings will go to so many people. And we celebrate you, we celebrate the achievement, we celebrate the breakthrough today. And we wish you all the best as the two companies sit down and start the work of drilling the oil, producing the oil, refining the oil, and all that. We wish you the best. So, the other part that I wanted to shoot in this video is to talk about Dee Mwango. And guys, there is this person who came in the comment section and told me, stop talking about the achievement of Dee Mwango. Talk about your achievement. And I always say, we clap for others. We talk about others. We talk about the victory and the success of others until God makes a way for us. Until it is our turn to be celebrated by others. So we celebrate the people who have succeeded so that when we reach there, people are going to celebrate us. And today, I'm celebrating Dee Mwango and the greatest transformation I have never seen within a very, very short time. And guys, I want us to remember the girl that was in the village of Nyambohanse, hustling, sleeping in a very, very not good house. But who is God? And I tell you that whomever God blesses, no one can curse. Dee Mwango has come from a small village called Nyambohanse. And we saw her starting her first videos in the university where she was schooling. She later was employed as a teacher and she was continuous shooting videos, teaching students Kiswahili language in the high school. And I saw those videos and I said, my God, God can change the destiny of people for the best. The Dee Mwango I saw in that house they were staying in Nyambohanse, where they were sleeping with the sheep and goats. And the Dee Mwango I saw in the classroom teaching and shooting videos. And the Dee Mwango I'm seeing walking fast in the streets of Jamaica, in the streets of New York, in the streets of Mexico, is a transformed Dee Mwango. First of all, I want to tell you, when God says yes, no one can say no. This girl started traveling slowly by slowly in the African countries. Actually, she started in Mombasa. And I could see her video in Mombasa, shooting about the ocean, shooting about the different places in Mombasa, and then she started traveling to the African countries. Because I tell you guys, traveling is not easy. I have tried it. And soon I'm going to start small like Dee Mwango, because she has shown us you can start small and God blesses you on the way. So I am planning to start soon showing you different places in Kenya and also different places in East Africa before, sorry guys, before I start going far and wide like her. And therefore, she started in Africa, showing us the different countries in Africa. And then she went ahead and she started going on airplanes, getting tickets to go to different places. But now, guys, where is Dee Mwango? Where is Dee Mwango? Do you know the Tingo? I saw her on the house she has rented, the Airbnb in Mexico. And this made me to flash back where she started. Guys, this woman is blessed beyond blessings. As she was taking us through her hotel room, we saw the luxury in that room, the bedroom, the kitchen, the bedroom. It was epic. Not even that. She took us through the facilities that are in the building where she was. There is a swimming pool. There is a jacuzzi. There is a gym where she can actually go and relax and have a good time and develop her muscles, because we started when she was building her muscles, guys. And therefore now she has a gym to herself where she can go and build muscles. Not even that. The place had a salon. and the place had a barber shop, and the place had shops. And I was seeing the beauty of Mexico and the beauty of that place. And I was saying, whomever God blesses, no one can curse. People have talked negative about Dee Mwango. People have said a lot of shenanigans. But who is God? When he says yes, no human being, no devil, no demon can stop it. And today, I am happy because I'm celebrating the achievement of two great people I love. One of them is Jamaica and its people. The other one is Dee Mwango, and I really celebrate her and the milestones she has gone. It is not easy, but she has persevered. She has fought the battles of ups and downs. She has beaten the odds, and she has become the first woman solo traveler in the whole world. And I celebrate you, Dee Mwango. I celebrate your courage. I celebrate your independence. I celebrate your style. I celebrate your beliefs. I celebrate your God. I celebrate everything about you. And today I said, I cannot shoot this video without highlighting the achievement of Dee Mwango as I celebrate the achievement of Jamaica, because Jamaica had a role to play in the success and victory of Dee Mwango. I took you through the journey of success of Dee Mwango and how Jamaica transformed her to be the woman she is today. As we celebrate the victory of Jamaica, we also celebrate the victory of Dee Mwango and the milestone she has gone, and her God, the way her God has been faithful. So guys, today it was just joy and celebration of the achievement of these two great people. Now, let me go to Dee Mwango's brother, I am Marwa. We have had a lot of negativity in this YouTube streets. And we have had a lot of, every time he shoots a video, people come in large number to accuse him, to bring him down, to talk about him, to actually hate on him, and a lot of shenanigans. And I want to say, there is this guy called Ivan. And this guy came and talked about Marwa and what Marwa was doing and a lot of things. I don't want to mention them because they are not necessary. Sometimes we make mistakes in life. Nobody can stand and say they have never made mistakes in life. I have made mistakes. You have made mistakes. Marwa has made mistakes. Dee Mwango has made mistakes. No one can say they have never made mistakes in life. But I want to celebrate Marwa because of what he has been doing in spite of the hatred, in spite of the negativity, in spite of so many things that are happening. I want to tell you, the best gold passes through fire. And this time, you are passing through fire. We also saw this guy who stayed with these negative reactors, the people that were actually being helped by Marwa. And this guy was one of them. He interacted with the people that are now turning against Marwa. And he came to say, this is none other than I am Mawera. Is it I am Mawera or it's Mawera or? But his name is Mawera. This guy came and said that one day he received a call from United Kingdom, UK. And he was told by a lady, a woman, that I'm going to give you $300 so that you can enter the Rezigan camp and talk against Marwa and destroy his name and bring him down. But the guy, having remembered the way he went to Marwa and cried to Marwa to support him, and Marwa accepted to support him without reservation, he said, I cannot do this. And therefore he declined the offer. And this made me to know that all these people shouting on the streets of YouTube, actually waiting for Marwa to shoot one video, and they come and powerful who wants to bring Marwa down. There is somebody powerful who wants to destroy Marwa. And I came to realize that people are actually very negative in this world. Unless God protects you, unless God shields you, unless God hides you, the minds of men are evil. The people who are in the front line of bringing Marwa down and talking negative about him are the same people he housed, he fed, he accommodated, he actually built a house for. And they have come to say how bad and how awful Marwa is. I think the people of this world have no gratitude. They are very ungrateful. And I want to encourage Marwa to tell him, continue doing good. The other day he shot a video saying he's not going to support subscribers or other YouTubers because the same people he helps are the same people who are attacking him, who are spreading rumors about him, who are actually talking negative about him. I want to tell people, do not destroy the stairs as you go up, because you might need those stairs when you are coming down. It is very wrong to actually bite the hand that fed you one day. It is very wrong to talk about a person who gave you sleep when you had nowhere to sleep. He gave you accommodation when you had nowhere to go. And this woman called Joasis, I think she has a problem. This lady came to Nyambohanse and stayed for 2 months, being fed, being housed, being done for everything. I don't know what Joasis wanted in Nyambohanse, or maybe she was coming to look for a husband and she failed, and therefore she comes with a lot of bitterness to destroy the same people that housed her, that fed her, that supported her, that actually held her hand. I want to tell people, it is very, very wrong to actually come and talk against someone who has ever helped you. Even before the eyes of God, it's not right. And therefore, guys, I want to tell Marwa to actually stand firm, be positive, don't answer back, just be like Dee Mwango, and you're going to go far, and these people are going to get you nowhere because your wife told you she wants you to climb a ladder, to climb up there where no one will see you and no one will talk about you. I know your goodness and your kind heart is what makes people to actually see things to talk about you. Because if you never housed people, if you never gave people shout-outs, if you never supported people, no one would have actually known about you. But because of your generosity and your kind heart, that is why you have so many haters, but God will fight for you. Now guys, let me stop at this juncture. See you during the next video, and God bless.